Hey guys, here's PITA. This is our newly designed PITA carrying case. So it looks like a white carrying case, a bag for you to protect and carry your PITA devices. Let me show you what I've put inside. It looks not big, but you can put a lot of devices inside. For example, here is a clipboard. On the other side, I put a whiteboard. And on this board, here are some elastic bands, so you can carry markers, pens, this PITA watch, memo pad. On the other side, you have a zipper bag. Put some small accessories like a charger or tips, pen tips, or some tools that you can use with. And everything inside, it looks still very small. The material is high quality EVA, and the zipper is very smooth. Very elegant and convenient carrying case.